suppose there are 4 lions. Let's name them. L1. Maybe we'll give them little names. L2, L3, and L4. And 2 bears. Okay, what do you think we'll call them? B1, B2. Okay. And maybe actually we should probably think of them as a set. So we'll use braces. Okay. You pick 2 at random. Or let's pick one animal. One animal at random from the set. How many ways can you do this? Well, of course, there are 6 possible animals. This is sort of like performing an experiment, right? I could pick the first lion, or the second lion, or the third lion, or the fourth lion, or the first bear, or the second bear. Okay? This is my set of all the possible things that could occur. These are the outcomes. Okay? So how many ways can you do this? 6. Okay? That's the answer. What if you pick 2 animals? What is the sample space now? And how many ways can you do it? How many ways can you do it? How many ways? Well, let's see. Let's think about this here. I could pick 2 lions, right? Or I could pick 2 lions. 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 I could pick 2 lions. Right? Or I could pick 2 bears. What else could I do? That's it, right? No, I could also pick a lion and a bear, or a lion and a bear, or a lion and a bear. L3, B1, or a lion and a bear, or a lion and a bear, or a lion and a bear. Okay. A lot more than 6, right? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's not right. Is it? I don't think that's right. I think I've missed something. Okay. Oh yeah, because I didn't count for all the lions. I've got 4 lions. Remember? 1, 2, 3. I should have L4B1 and L4B2. There we go. 15. Okay, I'll put that brace down here. There we go. Yeah, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ways. 15 ways to do that, right? Now, the order doesn't matter here because I'm not going to say like, well, the lion gets to sit on the left and the first one sits on the left and the next one sits on the right. Okay, we don't care about the ordering right now. We're just counting ways, okay? This is my new sample space. Be careful. The way you answer the sample space question is you always want to ask yourself, what are the things that could possibly happen when I do this experiment, okay? One of these 15 things is going to happen, okay? One of those 15 things is going to happen. By the way, is there a good way to just count those really quick? Well, yes, there is. It's called, let's see, I've got 6 things. I'm going to is like this. I got 6 things. How many ways can I choose 2 things from 6 things? If you remember this from a previous course, or even if you don't, this is 6 factorial over 2 factorial times 6 minus 2 factorial, which is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, all over 2 times 1 times 6 minus 2 is 4. So this is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which works out to be 15. Okay? And we'll talk about that again later. Just a couple more things. So what if A is the event that we choose the first lion? What if A is the event that we choose L1 and B is the event we choose a bear at all? Then the event A union B is going to be the set L1, B1, L1, B2, right? Those are the possible things that could happen. I could also write it as, there are a lot of different ways I guess I could write that. Okay. What about the event, oh no, that's not right at all. This is A intersect B, isn't it? Screwed that up. So yeah, so if A is the event that we choose the first lion and B is the event that we choose a bear, then this is right. Okay. Now what about A union B? That means that we're either choosing the first lion or a bear or both. This is going to be a considerably larger set, right? In fact, if I look at this, hey, look, this is sort of like my sample. This is my sample space, so I could draw a big box around this and think of this as a Venn diagram, okay? Where am I choosing the first lion or a bear at all, okay? So I'm going to be looking at, all the ones with B's in them, okay? Here they are, all the ones with B's. Right? Those are in this event, and also wherever I've chosen the first line. Okay, so none of these work. So here's a way I could write that really quick, because I don't want to write, this is 12 little outcomes. I don't want to write 12 outcomes. I'm lazy. Mathematicians are lazy, and they strive to be very efficient. Okay, so A union B, I could write it as the set omega not, this is the set minus symbol, it's like a minus sign, upended sort of, okay, not L2, L3, oops, L2, L4, L3, L4. Okay, you do it like that. Or you could write it like this. You could say it's the event L2, L3, L2, L4, L3, L4, complement. Okay, you can say it like that if you like. All right, so get started. Let's have homework due next time. You can see the syllabus for which homework problems, and see you later.